Okay, the mic is on. Okay, the mic is on. Everything is okay, and I'm ready. YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy FCJ. Today video, I just want to talk about why I really enjoy cooking for myself. I really enjoy cooking for myself. That's think about me, but it sounds simple, but it gives me a kind of satisfaction when I cook for myself. I promise you, and I really like it. I spend a lot of time on it, and while I cooking, I do something. I just do another things like learning something, um, have a podcast like English lesson. I just trying to learn every time. I don't want to waste time. I know I spend the time on cooking, but I learn while I'm cooking. I do the things. I learn something new, and I just trying to I just trying to have more information, have a more right information, the good information about me, how I can learn to speak, how I can speak in camera confidently, how I can improve my English speaking, how I can improve my English skills. I just trying to learn every time, bro. Every day, every time I'm trying to learn, and I'm trying to be the best version of me. But it's now the point of video today. But today I just want to talk about why I really enjoy cooking for myself. Yeah. When I eat food I prepare with my own hands, I promise you, it just feel more meaningfully. It's like extraordinary. I promise you, I'm not saying I'm a good chef, like a good chef cooking. Nah, bro, but I just really like eat my own meals, and when I cook with my two hands, and I like it, bro. I promise you, if you just but maybe one day I'm gonna invite you, bro. One day I'm gonna invite you, bro. Of course, if you like meat, like beef, uh just meat, bro. I'm not really vegetarian, bro. I'm not really vegetarian, like food, but I just like eat meats, beans, potato, stuff like that. And I like rice too, bread, bro. I'm a foodie, bro. I'm a big foodie, so that's why I start to learn how to cook, and I was really like it before. When I was younger, I was cooking for myself. When I was really younger, I think in my mind, maybe 11, 12, I was cooking for myself. Do some eggs, some avocado, some fry. Bro, because I like it. I like it, of course. And I learn I really learn about cooking, but I can say cooking teach me patience, my friend. Patience, of course. If you cook, you gotta be patient, like I say, because it can give like a big time, like a 1 2 hour or more like a 3 4 hours if you prepare like a crazy stuff, bro. But like I told you, why during this time I learned something new. I'm not just still finding a seed and just cooking and focus only on cooking. I'm trying to be really like a multiverse. I don't know if you write how they say that. Um, multitask, like a multitask. Do a lot of things at the same time, because I was doing at the gym about a lot of years, like I say, about a few years. Yeah, about few years I was doing like I have a routine, like a training 3 4 muscle at the same time. I'm doing that at the gym, and I know I can do it too in my daily basics. Like I do my everything routine, I can do it. I can do a lot of things at the same time. I'm not saying my brain focus on two things at the same time now, but I can do like now I'm recording video. I have to be really focused 100% or 110 20% on my recording, because my brain look the world all the second, all the time, all the second. Then I'm stuck, then I'm speak. Like I told you, my friend, this is my practice. Don't forget, this is my practice. Why I talk, my brain trying to find the word easily, fast. So I have to be focused, my friend. I have to be focused on why, what I wanna say, or what come in my mouth. I have to focus on it. I know, but if I do something else, like sometime, maybe if I cook, like I say, I can cook. I can have a podcast about some lesson, or I can have some course, some. I just do something and something else. I just do something else. I learn about the time during the time I cook. Is helpfully, my friend. Is helpfully, because you don't waste time. You cook at the same time you do a productive things. Is good, is benefit though, is really benefit though, my friend. And like I said, learning teach me patience, and uh, I really see that. Of course it's true, of course it's true. And it helped me take care of my body, my friend. What I put on in my mouth, why, what I put in my mouth, bro. I know I don't eat like randomly crazy, like stuff, junk food, yeah, junk food, fast food. I'm not saying I never eat junk food or fast food, but it's really raw. It's really rare. Oh, yeah, it's rare. It's really rare. So it's not every time. And like in years, I can eat fast food maybe 2 3 times. I promise you, my friend. I promise you. I've been in America about 2 years, and I remember the time. The time. I remember how often I eat fast food. Maybe 4 5 times. I promise you, not too much. 4 5 times, like some hamburger, like some fried chicken. But I don't like chicken, of course. Chicken, like a chicken, KFC chicken. I don't like it. I promise you. That thing really, for me, it's not. It's not. I don't start it here, bro. I really like beef, like a meat, red meat. That's my things. I like red meat, but I don't really like fish too. Fish, chicken, not really too much for me. But I eat it. I eat that sometime, but not too much. Like yesterday, I cook a chicken in fry, and I really enjoy it. And like I say, I really enjoy it, bro. Okay, and yeah, and the cooking teach me to be more independent, bro. You not depend with someone. You not depend with someone saying, "Nah, I don't cook for you." Bro, I don't care, and I don't need that, bro. I have my 2 hands, my friend. I have my 2 hands, and if I want to cook some things, inside the frigidaire, if I don't have something in frigidaire, I go downstairs and I do my shopping on my groceries. After I go back home and I prepare. Easy. easy and fast, my friend. And I really enjoy it. I like it. Bro, I like smiling. I promise you, I like smiling. I like have a good energy. Maybe some people gonna see that this guy is not serious. Uh, is not. But I don't care, bro. I don't care, bro. That's. This is just me. It is just me, bro. I'm not faking. I'm not faking or just talk about something. I don't like it. Everything I talk about it, and everything I talk about on my videos, it's something I like it, and something I do it in my daily basics, in my routine, and it's something I enjoy it. That's why I prefer learn English and improve my English speaking about things I'm doing every day or about things on my routine. That's the best way, I think, to learn and to improve your English fastly than learn another things like crazy 50 100 vocabulary about things you don't do it, you never use it. That's why I say everything you learn, use it. Everything you learn, use it. But if you learn something, it's not inside your routine, you're not gonna use it because you don't. Your mind don't need to think about these things. Is outside your routine. But if you learn something inside your routine, inside your daily routine, that's, I think it's the best way. It's the best way to improve fastly, bro. I promise you. Just do it, bro. Just do it. Just use what you learn, and if you learn something new, like I say, try. Maybe if it can work for you, or maybe it can't work for you, bro. But for me, that's work for me, bro. This one work for me. Recording myself, talk about my daily, my journey. He worked for me. That's why I'm doing, and I'm keep recording, and I keep press recording, my friend. I don't care, bro. Even bro, I never pop up. Yeah, even if I never pop up, but my English pop up. That's my first goal. Speak like a native. It is my first goal, bro. Recording myself, it is practice for me. It is practice for me. I know I learned a lot about recording myself too. I'm not gonna lie, but that's things for me, bro. That's things for me. That's my practice. Maybe your practice is like watch a movie, English movie. Some people learn English about movie, but it's not for me. It's not for me, bro, because I really stop watching movie about a few years, my friend. But I like podcast, video about things interesting me, things I really like it. I just watch podcasts. Sometimes I just put my handphone and I listening. Even if I don't watch, I just listening like music sometime, and it's like that. And talking camera, same. It's practicing for me. I promise you, bro. I'm going in the another way, but the things is the talk about my cooking, bro. But let's come about again, bro. And it's also a way of loving yourself, my friend. Because if you love yourself, you love yourself. That's why you prepare the things you want to eat, and things enjoy to you, bro. And I'm saying that keep doing, if you like cooking like me, if you like it like me, bro, just keep doing, bro. Keep cook whatever you want to eat, bro. Like me, whatever I want to eat. And like I say, I depend on nobody, bro. I'm depending nobody. I just depend with my two hands, bro. I'm just using my two hands, and I go to the kitchen and I do my best like a chef, like a chef, bro. I promise you. But like a chef, bro. I promise you. That's things I wanna do. I like to do every time, bro. I promise you. And take time to cook. If take time to cook for yourself, my friend, it's a form of self-love, self-respect. You take time to cook for yourself. It's a it's a form to self-love, self-respect, because you do something for you, not for not for anybody else, just for you, because you like it and you do it. Simple, my friend. Simple. And simple action build a strong life. I promise you. Like cooking, the small things like that. He build a strong life, my friend. I promise you. And when you prepare your own meals, when you prepare your own food, you take responsibility of your life. You take responsibility of your life. Um, you just responsibility of your life, of what you do, what you eat, what you're healthy. If you don't eat healthy food, who's gonna take responsibility? Who cares about it? Who gonna go in a hospital, see the doctor, and who? That is you, bro. It's only you, bro. It's only you, my friend. I promise you. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's only you. So, if you take just one thing from this video, real satisfaction comes. Real satisfaction when comes from what you do. But how can I say that? If you take just one thing from this video, real satisfaction comes from what you create for yourself, my friend. Yeah, that's the thing I want to say. What you create for yourself, that's a real satisfaction in this life. I promise you, bro. If you just consume everything, consume every day, you never create for yourself, bro. Maybe you're gonna just waste your time, my friend. Just waste your time, give your energy, give your thoughts, and think about everything and forget yourself. I promise you. Thank you for watching this video, and see you to the next time. All right, stay. Like I said, I don't forget my handing, but every step count, and stay strong. Bye bye.